my fan. Oh, good. You know what? I have my fan. I can't get it right, y'all. But one day I'm gonna get it right. You got one. We're going on a trip. We're going on a trip. Going on a trip. Hey, 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 hey. We're going on a trip. Going on a trip. We're going on a trip. Hey, 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 hey. Hey y'all, it's Sade Imore, your favorite expat with nomadic tendencies. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be super special as well as different because we are going to be backpacking in Europe for 2 weeks. Yes, you heard me, backpacking in Europe. We have never done this before. We've given it much thought and we are nervous but happy about what we are about to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I am packing in my backpack for 2 weeks of travel. Let's get started. I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers talk about the things that they have been packing and how they pack. And to be honest with you guys, I was just, I guess overwhelmed because I've never done it before and I don't really know what's really right or wrong, and I think that is determined by the person who's doing the packing. And of course, TSA, because you got to go through TSA, right? But I just wanted to make sure that I had everything that I needed, and I'm still not 100% sure that I do, but I'm gonna show you guys what I have. I want you guys to also know that some stuff may be added or taken away, but this is what I'm pretty sure I'll be packing for the trip. First thing first is my handy dandy backpack. Y'all, this is my favorite backpack. I've had this for at least 3 years now, and I love it because of the different areas, compartments that it has, but I also like it for the support that it gives. It has back support, and it also helps tighten the bag on the side. So if you have any air, any loose space, it'll suck that thing right on up for you, and I really, really do like it. I got it from the gun range back in the States, and I love it. I'm gonna be bringing 2 pairs of jeans. They're light, but I won't be bringing any more because they can be heavy, and I'm really sure what the temperature is in Europe. So I'm only going to be bringing 2 pairs of jeans. With that being said, I will have 1 dressy pair just in case we decide to go somewhere fancy, or if we go to like a museum or something. Usually there is a certain dress attire that they want you to have. So I have these pants just in case. I will also be bringing 2 pairs of my loose fitted pants. I love these things, y'all. I love them. I have a green pair. I'm not gonna be bringing the green pair. I'll just stick with these 2, but I love them. Now, when it comes to shirts, the illusion is that, you know, you have like all of these outfits when in actuality you only have like 6, right? So I have 2 shirts that are graphic. The other 4 are plain shirts, a gray one, a white one, a black one, and a green one. That's it. These 4 will be put to use. And then I have 2 tank tops. One is white, one is black, that I'll be using as an actual shirt with a covering, this covering. And I like it because it covers my butt and my shoulders, and it's really, really thin. So I'll be using those tank tops, but I have 2 of these. I love, you know, black under everything is good. Of course, I have undergarments, so I'll be bringing probably about 3 bras and maybe 6 or 7 pairs of underwear. Really not sure, but yeah, good thing we'll have a washing machine in the apartment so that way we can wash our clothes. Next thing, I have a microfiber rag. I could not find a towel here, but I was happy to find these rags because they're really, really thin, real thin, and they're good with moisture. I'll probably bring around 5 pair of socks. And now I'm gonna give you guys the deets on what I'm using as far as electronics and bathroom accessories. I'm not gonna do too much. I have a shower cap, which is needed. My face cleaner, just smush it so it's not taking up too much space. I'm using Vaseline, some hand lotion. I have tissue, a small bar of soap, Porter wipes, because you never know. You never, ever, ever know. This is like, you're sweating real bad, you just got a little water, pour it on there, and it will pop open into a big old napkin. You just never know, so I love these Porter wipes. But don't flush these down the toilet. Don't flush these down the toilet, put these in the trash can. I have deodorant, rose water, mouthwash, Lysol, and body wash. I have toothbrush, toothpaste. I have another thing of toothpaste. I have mosquito repellent. Now I put this tape around here because it was open in Tanzania. This is how long I've had this. Like, the mosquitoes over there was, they were not going for it. They was tearing us up when we were using the American repellent. So I had to get some of these, and it's been the best thing. Like, we've been holding on to this with our dear life. So American repellent. So I had to get some of these, and it's been the best thing. Like, we've been holding on to this with our dear lives. A little Orajel, Band-Aids, vitamin C, Dramamine, Clorox, just in case you gotta wipe some stuff down. I also have some like tooth floss kits and a little Neosporin, some perfume, and some eyeshadow, because who doesn't want to do an eye every now and then? As far as electronics, I'll be bringing my cell phone, which I'm using, tripod, which I'm using, microphone and adapter, which I'm using, this portable charger. And I didn't use this in Italy because we only stayed there 11 hours and we got to charge our phone on the plane. But I will be using it this time because I don't want to bring 57,000 chargers. So whatever the plug is that I'll need to use in Europe, I'll have that just to plug into the wall. But this will be what I use to charge everything that I have. I will not be bringing a laptop this time. Everything that I do will be solely on my phone, editing and all. And as far as the little small, like the little other accessories, I have my sunglass holder, my fan. Oh, good. You know what? I have my fan. I can't get it right, y'all, but one day I'm gonna get it right. I have my mirror and my little purse. I ain't trying to be funny, y'all, but I heard in Europe they be stealing. So I got my little pouch. Last but not least, I have this cool like hanger that I found here in Egypt, and it folds out. That is so cool, right? I'll probably just hang up like Jamari's jacket or something on it, but I'm bringing it because I think that is super cool. Well, that's it, you guys. I've shown y'all everything that I plan on bringing with me to Europe. If you aren't following me on Instagram, that's what you want to do, because I will not be posting videos while I am gone. I will be posting shorts and I'll be uploading reels. So follow me on Instagram to get all of the deets, see what I'm doing, check out the pictures, the locations, places that I'm going to be going, and just catch the vibe with me. For those of you who would like to donate to my channel, you can buy me a coffee. Simply click on the link in my description box and donate to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you so much for following me along on this journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. you.